Hey guys, how you doing? Austin here. Hey, I wanted to come to you. I haven't done one of these in a while. You can tell I'm not in my normal location. I am in California. My son is playing in a national lacrosse tournament, and I'm actually out here in Palm Springs at that. Been here for the last couple of days, so apologize for the lighting. I'm not on my normal optimal setup, but I wanted to bring you guys some news and talk to you guys about the latest and greatest of what I'm seeing in the overall market, as well as some of the top cryptos that I follow. Okay, so right here, right now, the market is at a 2% run. Up at 2.18 trillion. We've come back pretty nicely from falling below that $2 trillion mark, and we've got Bitcoin and Ethereum really doing what they've been doing for the last couple of days plus. They've settled right here, and you can see this in this in this chart where my cursor is. They've kind of settled in this sideways consolidation pattern, and really what's happening at the end of the day is neither the bulls nor the bears are in control. We're really just consolidating sideways. Trading water is how I think about it. Bitcoin trading right below that 43,000 mark. Ethereum did get over that 3,300 mark, but again, it's just sitting there, and you can see it. It's right here in the chart. In the last couple of days, you can just see it right there. So right here, right now, I think that everything's kind of stabilized and waiting for the next catalyst. I think that's going to come this week, whatever may fall out of any kind of major market movement scenario, anything having to do with the stock markets, anything having to do coming up here in the United States, coming from the Federal Reserves, or any comments that they've got, especially as it relates to crypto. So we're kind of in a wait and see mood here. We really are flat at the end of the day, and if you're kind of looking at what is transpiring, we did just drop just a little bit. Wow, okay, there you go. So we have dropped down into we've dropped a little bit in the overall market conditions. Wow, that was a pretty significant drop. Pretty significant. Wow. Okay, so now we've got Bitcoin dropping a little bit, but now it's still at that 43,000. But again, that sideways consolidation, 3,300. But we had a reset there. I wonder if my data was showing wrong there. It's weird. I just refreshed and went from 2% to 0.6. But we're at 2.19. Anyway, regardless, moving on. We're going to keep going, guys. But I wanted to point out a couple of things. Right here, right now, market's flat, but overall in the past 7 days, you've got, again, everything kind of flat. Like Cardano has been one of the stands out in the last 7 days. Terra Luna, one of the standout in the last 7 days. Dogecoin, Dogecoin definitely has been moving a little bit in the overall last 7 days. That was because of Dogecoin had some positive catalysts coming out, where Tesla did come out and you can now buy Tesla merchandise with Dogecoin. That's something that's been in the works for a little bit. So it moved it up a little bit, as you can tell, 20% in the last 7 days. Avalanche, Shiba Inu up 10%. Again, I'm focusing on the 7 day because 24 hours really flat at the end of the day, not a lot of movement. Outside of Terra, up 6%, in and of itself. But if you're looking for long-term opportunities, I think you can definitely find some here in the ones I talk about all the time. Polkadot, Cardano, long-term, and I'm talking about long-term holds, right? And this is not investing advice, but continue to always be looking for how can you improve upon your portfolio, and I'm a big believer in Bitcoin, Ethereum as 60-70% of your overall portfolio makeup. And then from there, it kind of rolls to other ones, like Hold Cardano, Solana. These are really, really good ones. Polkadot. These are really good ones that are kind of the next level and could continue to be obviously big players in a really good diversified portfolio. And yes, I think there's unequivocally a place for options like Shiba Inu, Saitama, Zombie Inu, Clifford Inu, some of those other ones that are out there, and some new ones that we're constantly talking about on my channel. If you're interested in my Patreon, links in the description below. I do a weekly live members only live stream where we unveil new opportunities and new tokens and new small cap opportunities. So if that's something you're interested, links in the description below. Check that out. I'm going to wrap up with that there, guys. I just want to kind of give you state of the union right here, right now. Really flat at the end of the day. And again, I think the market's just really treading water until we roll into this coming week, and then we see if we can get some catalyst to move it in the positive direction. With all that said, I'll see you later. Take it easy. Bye.